What else do they do?
If you put your calculator, it simplifies it.
Okay. But what is an actual exponent? What does it tell you to do?
Multiply the number by itself.
Multiply the number by itself, right? And you do it however many times the power is, correct? Look at us go. We know the first rule. Alright, so now what we're going to do is you're going to open and you're going to turn. Okay, I know that's crazy. Okay, so it's back like this, and you just open it, and then you turn to the right. That's it. Do y'all want to see the full power of the foldable? Okay, so it's open like this, and then you can open it like this, and then you can extend it, and then you can also close it, and we're going to have stuff on the back. Love it. This is my favorite foldable. All right, so we're going to write 3 questions right here. Our first question says, what is an exponent? What is an exponent? The second question is, what is a base? And you need to leave room in between them so that we can write our answer. That's why I spaced it out, guys. You're going to have to write small. You see how I left room, though, guys? Did y'all think I was doing that for fun?
Yes. I thought you were trying to be neat.
Oh, my gosh. I know. But that's so much better than yesterday. I promise. We didn't get anything written down.
Yesterday was fun.
All right, and so the last question is, what are the properties? Can everybody see, or do I need to zoom in? Zoom in a little bit? I can do that. Wow. Okay, so we just described what an exponent is, and it's the little number, right? Okay, so we're going to write that. It's the small number, the small number, Aviance, sweetie, we're writing. That tells you how many times, what does it tell you to do? How many times what? To multiply what? What is the number called? Base. Awesome. Look at us go. To multiply the base by itself. What are the properties? So if the exponent is the baby number, what's the base? The big number, and that's what we multiply, right? Alright, so a base is the big number by the exponent. Ah, Blair.
Ah, you messed up my handwriting.
The big number by the exponent. She did. Alright, so for example, if I write x to the 5th power, which one is the base? Okay. And which one's the power? That blue is very vibrant on that pink color. Yes. The big number by the exponent.
Oh,
So we're just going to do our first property, and that's going to be what you have for homework. It's super easy. It's called multiplying like bases. Are we done writing?
Yes.
Is anybody not done before I go any further? I don't know what you're whispering. I still don't know what we're saying. I have no clue. Alright, so turn it back so it's straight. Okay, so in this little space right here, your first space, whether it's white or color, however you did your weave, we are going to write multiplying like bases. Like that big. Now, who can tell me what it means for them to be like bases? The same number or the same what? Variable. Take a point if somebody, I think you said that. Did you say that? All right, take a point. So it can be the same number or the same variable. So if I say a cubed times a to the 9th, a is an apple cubed times a is an apple to the 9th. Does anybody know what we do with those exponents?
Multiply them?
You add them. Fantastic. It would be a to the 12th power. Now remember, it's not bingo. We don't say A12, A4, A9. Okay? It's not bingo. It's a to the 12th power, b to the 12th power. So when you multiply like bases, you add the exponent. So now, okay, that's way early. All right, homework.
Will you put it in?
I will. The first problem. You just add the exponents if they're like bases. Have a good day and make good choices.